Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I'm just enjoying my cup of coffee that I just made with my Cuisinart coffee maker. It has never been so easy to make coffee. So you just fill the back with water. You can make up to 12 cups of coffee with the main coffee machine. Add your coffee grinds and put it back in, close it up, and you're ready to brew. So you would just turn on the coffee machine on the side button there and change it to brew and press your button for it to start, and that's it. It brews super fast, so just in a few minutes you'll have a nice fresh cup of joe right there ready to drink. The really cool thing about this coffee machine is that it also has a section for single serve. It comes with a reusable filter cup where you can add your coffee grinds to it, and you can select what size coffee cup you want. Back on the other side, you can also change the temperature at which it's keeping your coffee warm, and you can also program it to make your coffee every morning like we have it set up at 6 a.m. and it's perfect. So if you're in the market for a really nice coffee machine that has multiple functionalities, makes a really nice cup of coffee that you can make at any time of the day, I highly recommend you check out this one from Cuisinart. You won't be disappointed, but that's just my point of view.